नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू संवाद, एक खास मंच, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हम बात करते हैं दिल से। आई एम आशवी सिंह, your today's host of the episode. Today, we have the pleasure of introducing a remarkable entrepreneur from the field of Varanasi's fashion industry, Miss Aditi Shah. Ma'am is the founder of Yasha, a designer clothing store based in Varanasi. Her vision, creativity, and dedication have made Yasha a trusted name among the fashion enthusiasts. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Shall we begin, ma'am?
Sure.
Ma'am, what inspired you to start Yasha, and how did your journey begin as a fashion entrepreneur?
So, hello Ashvi first. And my journey as an entrepreneur began from Varanasi itself because I am born and brought up here. I went to study outside, then come back again, lucky enough to get married again in Varanasi. And I really recognized this huge gap between the retail sector in Varanasi, where there was a lot of traditional wear available, but there was very few players in the modern fusion wear in Varanasi. And that time I realized that I really need to do something around this space because I was always very passionate about fashion. And I grabbed this opportunity, and that's how we built Yasha.
That's truly motivating. As we know, Varanasi has a rich cultural heritage. So, how do you blend traditional craftsmanship with modern era of today's clothing industry?
So I would like to say that the entire foundation of Yasha is between blending the traditional and the modern values. Because we want to keep the tradition intact. We come from Varanasi, is one of the oldest city in the world, and we want to keep that tradition intact, but also make fashion accessible to every woman. There shouldn't be any boundaries or limit of making fashion accessible to anyone. So giving the tradition, but also the modern woman wants to feel more confident in the fusion wear, want to experiment with their clothing, want to try something new. So I think that opportunity should be available to everyone.
Right. While honoring the tradition of Varanasi, the journey surely wasn't easy. So, what were the big challenges that you faced, and how did you overcome them?
Challenges were like any other entrepreneur would face. Of course, the challenges were the limitation of the city.
Yeah.
The awareness was, I think, one of the major concerns, that getting designer wears to Varanasi, but there was very less, I think, understanding of how a designer wear can be. Of course, the notion like designer wear hai to bahut mehenga hi hoga. So I had to break those stereotypes to begin with. I had to make people understand and aware of how much easier it is to buy and wear designer wear, and it doesn't have to break your pocket to actually wear one designer.
Right. So, it's really difficult to build a big empire without a good team. So, I just want to ask, as a founder, how do you select designers and curate collections for Yasha?
The designers and the collection is very thoughtfully curated. We really keep in mind the necessity of what people like, especially what trends are going on. Also, we focus on sustainability, कि एक बार पहना दूसरी बार नहीं पहना, ऐसे ना कपड़े प्रोवाइड करें, ऐसे डिज़ाइनर्स ले आए, ऐसा कलेक्शन ले आए जो लोग over a period of time they cherish wearing it again and again. At the end of the day, it's not only what you wear, it's how you feel in it, right?
Exactly.
So you have to feel confident and also something which you cherish for a long time with you.
Seeing the shift, many young women feel inspired. So, what advice would you like to give to those young women entrepreneurs?
To young women entrepreneurs, I would like to say that dare to dream big, be ambitious, believe in your dreams. And I think if you believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, it's not going to be an easy path, but always you will be inspired and motivated to achieve those dreams.
Right. Looking ahead, what is your vision for Yasha in the next few years?
Abhi, we have a flagship store in Varanasi. I would definitely want to spread it to more smaller towns.
Okay.
Moving ahead with the same mindset ki, everybody has equal right to, and everybody should have accessible fashion available to them. So more smaller towns we are planning to target, and come up with these things जहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ available नहीं है.
Right. Now it's time for the rapid fire round. So, first, one word for Yasha.
Fashion forward,
Okay. Sketching or styling?
of course styling, always styling.
Coffee or chai during your working hours?
Coffee. I'm a coffee person.
Embroidery or minimal detailing in your clothing?
I think both, but I'm a big fan of maximalism.
Okay. One designer who inspires you?
I think all the designers does, because everybody has their own unique styles of designing clothes, making fashion, in making and portraying fashion in their own different ways.
Right.
So I can't choose one. I'm a big fan of many of them.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time to us. Thank you, audience. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.